Today, as we face the COVID-19 pandemic, there's never been a more urgent need to control pathogens in the air. Hi, my name is Stuart Lewis and I represent a company called Air Evolution, and today I'd like to talk to you about our air purification device that we have developed over the last 10 years. Air Evolution uses 3 different technologies in its devices. The first one being germicidal ultraviolet light, the second one being the patented titanium dioxide substrate that works in conjunction with the ultraviolet light to destroy airborne pathogens, and the third one, ionization. Ultraviolet light is not a new technology and has been used for air purification as well as surface purification in hospitals and clinics for over 100 years. Ionization has also been used for many years, especially in office environments where it helps control sick building syndrome. Our third technology is photocatalytic oxidation. This is achieved by bringing a substrate coated in titanium dioxide into close proximity with the ultraviolet light. When this happens, a field of hydroxyl radicals are formed on the surface of the substrate. As the air passes through the unit, the hydroxyl radicals adhere themselves to any pathogens that may be in the air, effectively destroying the cell walls of bacteria and mold spores and neutralizing viruses. Air Evolution started producing these units in 2008, and we've had a lot of success in various environments in controlling airborne pathogens and volatile organic compounds. As part of our certification process, our units have been tested at the National Health Laboratory Services in Johannesburg, as well as the Health Protection Agency in Porton Down in the United Kingdom. The results from both sets of tests were very positive, having received a 99.99% efficacy rate for the destruction of both the TB vector and MRSA. With Air Evolution's existing technologies and their proven track record, there's never been a better time to roll out these units. The most critical would be clinics and hospitals, mass transport like trains, buses and taxis, and especially during the lockdown period, in high-density areas when people are now being confined to their homes. In summary, with Air Evolution, the technology already exists. It's been scientifically proven to be highly effective in controlling airborne pathogens. And there's never been a more urgent time to protect the most vulnerable of our society.